Is it the right time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will delve deeper into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 2, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any significant updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI today and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has ranked VOO as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.97. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surpassing our expectations, VOO has shown a remarkable gain of 8.65% since we first recommended buying it 40 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.22% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating the possibility of further growth within this trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 14.13% change expected over the next 3 months, with a projected return ranging between 9.51% and 17.1%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a suggested 16.28% change anticipated over the next year, with a potential return between 4% and 17.93%. This implies a price range of $451.37 to $511.82 after 1 year. Our latest update for VOO reveals the headline, VOO ETF downgraded to hold/accumulate. On the last trading day, Tuesday, January 2, 2024, the VOO ETF price experienced a decrease of 0.639%, dropping from $436.80 to $434.01. Throughout the day, the ETF saw a 0.667% fluctuation, ranging from a low of $432.36 to a high of $435.24. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances and has increased by 0.2% over the past 2 weeks. Although volume has increased by 3 million shares, it occurred alongside falling prices. This could potentially serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. Overall, a total of 7 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $3.17 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $438.84, while the lowest price was $347.19. At present, the price is 1.1% or $4.83 below the 52-week high, and 1.64% or $7.25 below the all-time high on January 4, 2022, when the price reached $441.26. The VOO ETF shows both sell and buy signals for investors to consider. In the short term, the moving average suggests a sell signal. However, the long-term average gives a buy signal. This indicates a general buy signal for the ETF, providing a positive outlook for the stock. If the ETF continues to rise, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average around $436.18. Conversely, if it falls, it may find support from the long-term average near $423.89. Breaking through the short-term average would signal a buy, while breaking through the long-term average would suggest a sell. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, provides a buy signal. However, there are also some negative signals that could impact the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, December 19, 2023, resulting in a 0.95% decline. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. Notably, volume increased during the price decline, which may serve as an early warning and requires closer monitoring of the ETF. On Monday, January 9, 2023, the ETF had a golden star signal in the long-term chart. This rare and significant combination of the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line often leads to substantial gains for the ETF. Today, we'll be discussing some interesting signals for you to consider in your investment decisions. Let's start with the moving average convergence-divergence signal, which suggests a buying opportunity. Next, we have the pivot signal, indicating a sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger Bands also presented a buy signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average, on the other hand, showed a sell signal 2 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 42 days ago. It's also important to consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages, which indicated a buy signal 38 days ago. When we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe that the short moving average signaled a buy 42 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 36 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 25 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for VOO. VOO, the ETF, has found support from accumulated volume at $433.78. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as historically, we've seen an upward reaction when this support is tested. In terms of risk, VOO tends to have very controlled movements. With good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered to be very low. Looking at the recent data, we can see that in the last day, the ETF moved $2.88 between its high and low points, representing a 0.667% change. Over the past week, the daily average volatility has been around 0.523%. Today, we'll be analyzing potential day trading levels for VOO. If the market shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $434.28. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before entering a position. However, for those who already hold the stock, this could be a potential level to consider for swing trading. On the flip side, if VOO experiences a decline, its first support level is at $433.78. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, as we may anticipate a rebound in the stock. Our recommended stop-loss for this ETF is set at $421.21, which is a decrease of 2.95%. This ETF has low daily movements, which translates to lower risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was found 8 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? While VOO holds several positive signals, we believe it is not yet a strong buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, where you may hold or accumulate the position while waiting for further development. However, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation, changing it from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, January 3rd, we expect VOO to open down $0.139 and start trading at $433.87. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, we strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please avoid solely relying on StockInvest.us for investment guidance. Keep in mind that by utilizing this information, you are solely responsible for your own investment choices and their outcomes. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Please comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have for the ETF? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.